Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Tune Services. In today's video, I'm come to prepare the most yummy pancake, and what I'm putting on top is Nutella butter. So if you have any syrup, you can add it to it, or you can use sugar powder to eat with. And this Nutella butter, wow, I like it. It tastes very yummy. So very soon I'll post the recipe also for you. Wow, tastes very yummy. So this is the things I'm going to use for. This is my ingredient. Please, let's start. I'm going to use blender to mix all my ingredients. Yeah, this different way. Yeah, so I pour my milk. This is my milk. I add water, melt butter, vanilla essence, a pinch of salt. I'm adding sugar, and you add the eggs. Yeah, you break it, you add it to it. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. And if you are new here, you are welcome to Mayu Kitchen. Add the flour. Yeah, I'm using all-purpose flour. Yeah, but if you have any flour, then you can use it. Yeah, and you blend it some minutes, not too much. If you see everything has mixed good, then you put it up. You see, it's very easy. Yeah, everything has mixed very nice. So let me sit there for 3 to 4 minutes, and then on top you see some bubbles on top, so it's supposed to go down before you start frying it. Okay, let's start frying it. Put fry pan on fire. You add a little bit of butter. Yeah, but don't do the same. What I'm doing, don't do it. It's very dangerous. Don't do it, please. Use spoon to take it small. So you starting frying it like this. You set your fire to medium high temperature. Yeah, but sometimes you can lower it again and you set it to medium high temperature. Yeah. Okay, now you can turn the other side because the top is dry now, no butter on top, so you turn it. You're supposed to fry both side and side. So continue the same process until all your butter is finished. Let me show you something. So when it's ready, you see both sides is golden brown. So it's ready. You take it out. You can serve it hot or cold. Okay, let me show you the way I fold my pancake. This one is hotel style. This triangle shape. Yeah, you see it's looking nice. Yeah, if you have different one too, you can show me. You can take picture and send it to me. Yeah, I will learn that one. And you can do this style too. Yeah, this normal one. You can roll it also like this. It's look very nice, eh? Hi. And you garnish with your favorite fruit. Yeah, that's my favorite fruit I want, and this is what I have in my fridge. You used to garnish it. Enjoy. I hope you try it. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. They same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.